This is so chaotic. I've decided I'm gonna start treating this like my pee story. My room's a fucking mess. Like, basically, I have a date. Scarlett, don't know who I think I am. Disclaimer, I should have stayed at home. Okay, either I'm getting larger or the dryer is shrinking my clothes. I'm gonna go with option 2, but I know what's option 1. I can't breathe, I'm stressed. I'm not actually stressed, I seriously don't care. It's raining out, so I have to wear like my fluffy jacket, but I feel like a chubster when I wear this. I'm gonna try and get in the mindset of like, it looks oversized. Then this is my mask to prevent the coronavirus. It's a bit late for that, but anyways. Masks just don't do anything for my ears. Like, they're already bad. I'm gonna bronze myself. My room is such a mess. It's actually giving me the fear. And I don't like this top in broad daylight, but fuck it. It's gonna be dark in like 10 minutes. And then I use the bronzer that I hate with all my life under the chins, because it's stunning for like under there, because it's like dirt. So it'll eliminate the double chins. And I just basically annihilate my face. I have to go. God, I'm so scared. You should be fucking scared. Half my fucking curtain is missing. That's kind of strange. Disclaimer, I was a bit half cut when I was recording this bit. I just came home. There's a mouse in the kitchen. I'm moving out, I swear to God. I am foaming at the mouth due to being livid. See you later. I'm so embarrassed I'm doing this out in public. Okay, so I had a mouse in my room last night, long story short. A little backstory, we always seen mice in the kitchen. Gross. And then there was one in my room. So this is different to the one that I seen when I came back that night. In my room. No. So this is going to be moving energy in 30 days or less. God, I hope I find a place where I'll literally be on the Doja Cat streets. I said to my landlord, like, you need to sort out the vermin in the house. She basically told me to fuck myself. I was like, that's grand, I'll be moving out, so. Why did I say that? Why am I so impulsive and dumb? I just have to annihilate rent.ie every single day of the month and hope for the best. Over and out. I'm just having my dinner. So I have a bit of tan on. Oh my God, I didn't realize it was so big. Oh my God, that's so scary. I'm not being funny, I did not know that spot was there. Look, my eyes are very blue today. Please take your shopping. These are my liquids for my last supper. Do you know what? I'm not going to stop because I'm not rolling around the place, so I'm just going to eat whatever the fuck I want. Stop judging me, I'll be skinny next week. I just need good luck. Eleanor just rang me there. I have a viewing there later on. I seriously just wish I was a child. This is too much effort and stress. Too indecisive for this like house hunting. The house, it was lovely, like it's a massive house, like room, it's just very dark and dreary and it's like scary vibes. It gives me very horror movie energy. I don't know. I did take the house.
8:01 p.m.
Right. I've been right.
3 days later.
Are you vlogging?
It's great having the big smoke here.
It's great to be here.
Just cover your face. Pop crop.
Kingdom.
Kira said she was getting 2 scoops, so I got 2 scoops, and then she got 1.
That's why I meant you order first.
All snakes don't hiss. This day actually gives me the fear. I've never drank that much and like been upright. This was all before around 5 o'clock as well. Great stuff.
How did you even do that? There's a difference between shedding and this. I'm gonna cry.
Tomorrow.
I have to go out and paint the room. It's Father's Day. And I make an old man and come up and paint the room with me. He offered. Don't shout at me. God. This is literally 5 minutes from my house. That's quite stunning. Quite stunning. Why is my mother trying to make me larger? She just knows they're my weakness. I haven't had a proper Chinese in ages and I'm moving out at the end of the week. Stop eating Chinese! So like I'm gonna have it now. Chicken balls, sachet sauce, spice bag. I'm scared. But I will eat it all. Kind of stressed energy because there's so much to be done in that room. Like it's all stuff the landlord should be doing, but like Dad's just like, ah, fuck it. I have to put another layer of paint and then see you there. This is the last day I'm being skinny. This is so boring. I'm leaving this till tomorrow because I seriously cannot be fucked. This is me thinking about how tired I'm going to be in the morning. I'm severely, chronically induced in tiredness. Today's moving day. Let's fucking have it. I'm working tomorrow and I'm working Monday. It's so much fun. Yeah. You don't know what I went through in that house. Take me to my new destination. Now! Great stuff. I just need to get my shit in there, get it set up, get to bed. So I'll show you when it's done. I'm just tired and I can't be arsed trying like to video little clips. And... Did anyone ask? Like, no. Lovely. I'm zooming in your face right now. Nah. Anne-Marie just said no one will ever love me.
Yeah.
Why are you such a bully?
Why are you such a bitch?
What's it like being a bully?
What's it like being a bitch?
Fun.
What's it like being...
You know I can just edit this to favour myself.
Can you?
How does that make you feel?
Fine. I'm so fucking angry!
Day 2.
It's going to be on the internet. How does that make you feel?
Scared.
It was the start of July. I proceeded to spend all my wages in the first week. And I still hadn't moved in properly.
Day 3.
It's Tuesday. I moved in on Saturday. And it's all just put away now. Because over now, every night since.
Don't know what I go through at night.
So, this is the room when I first viewed it. So scary. So scary. So terribly shook. Now this is the room now. I'm just going to give you the same, like, view. Don't really want to go through everything because it's not done. I just need to put up a few more pictures. Like, little bits like that. But, like, it's... This is it now. This is it now. I need to sort out that because obviously it's mangled. My tan is so skag. It's actually not that bad. It's just a bit of rash. Oh god, look at this hand. Oh no. See, I did it last night when I came home. Yeah, this is the bedroom. Kind of look a bit greenery vibes. I'm fucking Zelira. I'm personally very happy. The girls are coming up now. See you there. It's great to see you. You look great.
Thanks. This is me. So stunning. It feels like we're in Spain, doesn't it? Are we in Sandyford or Sandyman?
Location unknown. So nice. At least you do know OTD there.
Bershka, Jane Parker, YSL.
The YSL, yeah.
Yep.
Zara, Nisha McLean, Dior.
I'm unsettled, I'm not wearing black. Do you taste test? She'll fucking eat the head off me now saying that this is going on the internet. Stand there and I'll take a picture.
I saw a picture.
See you there. This is so embarrassing.
Day 4.
Jesus Christ. Not right now.
Oh, don't film it. No, I'm not. Not embarrassing myself.
Just do it. Stop being a little bitch.
It's her wallet.
L for Louis Vuitton. Ralph Lauren.
Lovely. Bailey.
My dead dog.
Moving on. Scrunchies. You're not in your bag.
There's anticlimactic.
Fenty, Fussy. An opener for Sean's Gate. Louis Vuitton. Zara hair clips. Kind of funky beads vibes. A PS lip liner.
P.S. Love you.
I have an opener.
P.S. Love that girl. Yes, I love you.
Are you done? So nice.
Thanks for having us.
Bye.
1 hour later.
Nah.
Don't look at me like that.
Great stuff. See you in another 6 months. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to end things properly. It's been real. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the flip side.